Time news this evening. Still in breach. Entertainment spots flout COVID rules. Local government minister promises to get tough. Get it right. Opposition calls for tighter Heroes Weekend curfew in light of Emancipendent's COVID mistake. And warming up. PNP leadership race picks up steam with another candidate indicating interest. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janela Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day, sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening, list the top 3 issues which you believe the government must tackle over the next year.
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.
News headlines brought to you